Making money online is simple. And the key to establishing passive income online is to take action. In this video, I'll show you how to make money online by viewing ads and fresh ways to make $500 or more online. In today's video, I'll show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to set up this incredible income stream. Make sure to watch every second of the video, because I will reveal some hidden tips and methods that you can use with this strategy to increase your revenue. This strategy is completely free, and you won't need any credit cards or online banking accounts to get started. The following are the 3 steps to earning $500 or more by seeing ads. Step 1 will expose one website that pays people to view short advertisements. Step 2, we'll explain you how to cash out your profits from this website. And step 3 will reveal how to automate your earnings from this website by having others watch the advertisements for you. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, so let's proceed to this website right on your screen. You can make money by watching ads in this section. As you can see, watching commercials will compensate you for viewing adverts from their advertising partners. So businesses come here to advertise their products and services. They pay this website, and what this website does is it splits the profits with you. They divide the revenue with you solemnly for viewing those commercials. There's no need to purchase anything, it's completely free. So you're going to sign up first and earn money by watching adverts. So first, let's create an account. I'm going to show you several advertisements that look like this advert, and money will be deposited directly into your account. So as you can see, you'll get a $20 bonus simply for signing up. You'll earn money by watching ads, and I'll show you how to earn money on the website in a variety of ways. So let's get into this specific method. When we get over here, this will be our dashboard. The first thing you want to click on is pay-to-click advertising, because that's why we got in here. We want the cash, and we want to make money simply by clicking on small adverts. And as you can see right here, there are certain businesses that pay you to click on their adverts. You have unit systems, smart trade currency, time dollars, Halloween promos, and a variety of various commercials. And they're giving out very modest amounts. But the ads are literally only 5 seconds long. You don't have to watch the entire thing, just let it play in a separate browser tab. You can click on every single one of these ads in 10 seconds. And then you can refresh this website so that new adverts appear and your money begins to accumulate in your dashboard. So this is a quick and simple approach to making money on this website. Now the money is not tremendous, just for clicking on adverts, so you have to do a number of various advertisement styles. So I'll teach you an even better technique to start earning money on this website. So you'll go to Ojou Grid after clicking offers, and that will bring you to this page. This pays a little bit more, as you can see right here. They're paying out roughly $1 just for clicking any place in this image. You're going to click all of these advertisements. Little adverts will begin to appear, and you'll earn much more money with this method. This is a fairly simple task. And honestly, watching these short adverts is one of the simplest ways to make money online on the internet. Now, for the next strategy, go to this page, Ojou Contest. You're going to gather points, as it states in the contest. Invite new direct referrals, receive points, and get money on your present balance. So, how do you plan on accumulating more points? Well, you'll have to obtain referrals, which means that people will come to this website, will introduce strangers to this website, and they will watch the commercials for us. These are some of the prize winners. As you can see, this person won $200, this one got $100, AMD this won $50 for the 3rd place. And $40 for the 4th place. And then if you finish lower than 15, you'll earn $5. Any extra money will come in as a tip to maximize your earnings. I'm going to show you how to attract thousands of people to come to this website and watch advertisements for you. So you can earn not just from what they earned, but also win this contest every single time and take the first slot. I'll show you exactly how to acquire more points and win the contest. You're probably wondering what direct referrals mean. So if you refer someone to this website and they sign up and start making money by watching commercials, you'll be compensated for your efforts. Now, if you have 40 direct referrals and this is their benefits calculator, so with this, you're gonna make $700 per month. Repeating this every month is going to guarantee that you at least get $700 based on your referrals who are watching the ads for you. Let's imagine we got 500 people to visit this website, right? You'll make $1,714 a month from people watching advertisements on your website. And this is a safe bet. I can easily show you how to get 2,000 individuals to visit this website within the next month. And that's going to be $5,000 in pure profit from this website. I'll teach you exactly how to achieve that. So go ahead and click on affiliate program over here, which will take you to this page. And in general, you'll receive 30% commission of whatever your referrals earn on this website. So if one person that you referred makes $100, you'll receive $30. So if you get 1,000 referrals, each earning $100, you will get $30 from each, multiplied by 1,000. And obviously, this grows exponentially. It means that you'll earn more and more money without having to physically log into the website and viewing the ads for yourself. If you guys are enjoying this video, please like and share it with your friends, hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it. So let's get back to the video now. Okay, so we're going to scroll down. And you'll notice this tiny link right here, this link to promote. This is my special referral link. You'll have your own special link, and you'll be compensated if someone clicks on this link, signs up for this site, and begins watching ads. So what we're going to do is copy this URL, and then I'll teach you this method. This is a simple free traffic approach that could result in hundreds of referrals. We are going to facebook.com. We are going to type in Make Money Online Club into the search field. This is one of the most profitable groups. It has around 200,000 members from all over the world who want to make money online, but they don't know how. So what we're going to do is take a referral link that we got earlier and make a post on this group. Also make sure to put a message saying that you can visit this website to make money while watching ads. And most people will actually be interested in that, and they'll be watching ads for you. And what's good about this group is that they will let you do it, because they encourage people to post their links and share their business chances with this community. So that's exactly what this group is going to accomplish for you. We'll post our link, and we have access to over 200,000 members, and we'll get at least a few 100 people to click on our link and sign up for our website. People are actually going to start watching ads and making money for themselves, and also for you, and you're going to start accumulating points and money. So not only will you start making money passively, but you'll also be able to win contests and get extra money, which is very good as a passive income stream. Before we end this video, the site we are using is called Ojou. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next video.